use the horseshoe method, and when I tell you this was a game changer for me, it was a complete game changer for me. Less flexi rods, curl definition was amazing. Let me show you how I did it. Hello everyone, and welcome back. Now, before we get into this flexi rod set, I want to talk to you about Dossier. Y'all know I love Dossier, so let's talk about this new fragrance I got. Okay, so the new fragrance I have to add to my collection is the Ambery Saffron, and this is inspired by the Baccarat Rogue 540. And when I tell you this smells amazing, it smells amazing. Like, if you don't know anything about Dossier, they're on a mission to deliver high quality luxury inspired fragrance at the fraction of the price. So you're able to pretty much explore high end like products and not break your bank. Why pay more if you can't smell the difference? For the Baccarat fragrance, you're paying between $300 and $400, and for the Dossier, it's $29 to $59 all day long. So it just depends on what fragrance you want, and they are so confident in their fragrance to where you can return it for a full refund. Make sure you check the description for the coupon code if you plan on trying them out. I hope you check them out. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite fragrance from Dossier if you have tried them already, or let me know if you're going to be trying them in the near future. Thank you, Dossier, and now let's go ahead and get into this flexi rod set that I have been dying to share with you. To achieve this hairstyle, I used the orange flexi rods. I found these at my local Sally's, and you actually can find these anywhere. I think they're actually way cheaper online, on Amazon to be exact. And like most styles, I like to use my fingers to part and section off my hair. Of course, then I like to go in with my water to spritz. I already have my leave-in in my hair, so I'm just spritzing just to add moisture while I detangle. And all the products that I'm using will be in the description box. And starting from the ends, working my way up, of course, I like to go ahead and detangle my hair thoroughly. This is very important when you're doing any kind of rod sets. You want to make sure your hair is fully detangled. Next, I like to go in with my holding spray. And just for the record, this is not the Apogee leave-in conditioner. I just put the Lotta body inside of this spritz bottle just to make it an easier application. Once my hair is fully detangled, I got my holding spray, and I like to then go ahead and split my hair in half because the method that I'm doing is called the horseshoe method. But the way I like to do it is first start with a 2-strand twist about a quarter way down, and then I like to add the flexi rod. And then I go ahead and clip one side out the way. Okay, so now working with this section, we're gonna go ahead and detangle one more time. We wanna make sure the hair is as smooth as possible when you're doing these rod sets. That's gonna make or break your hairstyle. Once we make sure it's fully detangled, it's nice and smooth, then we're gonna start wrapping our hair around the flexi rod. I like to use this wrap and twist motion. So if you look at my wrist, you can see I'm kind of wrapping and twisting at the same time. I find that it gives the curls a tighter hold. Once I'm done wrapping my hair around one end of the flexi rod, I like to then bend the flexi rod up wherever my hair stopped at, and that helps hold my hair in place on the flexi rod during the drying process. And then I am just going to be repeating these steps all over my head until we have all the flexi rods in.